Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Hushed eSIM. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience with Hushed eSIM, a service designed for individuals prioritizing privacy, flexibility, and anonymity in their communications. Hushed provides a unique eSIM solution, offering temporary or secondary phone numbers without requiring any additional hardware or traditional SIM cards. This is incredibly convenient for anyone needing a second line for various purposes, such as business dealings, online dating, travel, or conducting online transactions, allowing you to safeguard your primary phone number. Setting up Hushed is remarkably simple. You download the app, select a number from a wide range of regional options, and activate the eSIM with just a few taps. I found the activation process to be quick and painless, perfect for anyone requiring an immediate second number without the long-term commitment of a physical SIM card. Hushed offers a variety of plans, ranging from pay-as-you-go options to unlimited calling and texting packages, enabling you to choose a plan that best suits your specific needs, whether you require occasional use or a dedicated secondary line. I put Hushed to the test in various situations, making both local and international calls, and the call quality was consistently clear and reliable. The app itself boasts an intuitive and user-friendly interface, simplifying number management, call history viewing, and preference adjustments. A standout feature is the ability to create disposable numbers, which can be deleted at any time. This is particularly valuable for short-term requirements or for situations where you want to minimize spam. Hushed's commitment to privacy is a major selling point. It allows you to keep your personal information private, as the number isn't linked to your identity. Furthermore, the app lets you send text messages, images, and make calls without revealing your primary phone number. However, it's important to remember that the service primarily operates through an internet connection, so the quality will depend on your data or Wi-Fi connection speed. For anyone in need of a flexible and anonymous communication tool, Hushed eSIM provides a dependable and effective solution. If you're interested in learning more about this service, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.